Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify sales strategies with Mailchimp. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the audience section from the main dashboard. Select the specific audience you want to analyze. Click on the Explore tab to access insights about your audience. Analyze the demographic data to understand who your customers are. Next, head to the Campaigns tab from the left sidebar. Choose a past campaign related to the sales strategy you want to verify. Open the campaign report to review its performance metrics. Focus on key metrics such as open rates, click rates, and conversion rates. Compare these metrics with your sales data for accuracy. If you notice discrepancies, consider the reasons behind them. Make adjustments to your targeting or messaging based on your findings. You may also want to segment your audience further for better insights. Create a new campaign to test your revised strategies. Design the email and include a clear call to action. Schedule or send the campaign to collect new data. After the campaign runs, return to the report section to analyze outcomes. Review the performance metrics as you did previously. Use this data to refine your sales strategies continuously. Remember to document your observations for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.